Alright, good evening, guys. Good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you came across this video. Okay, first of all, this is Brainybite tutorial. So what we do in this platform is that we teach people, Jamb candidates, university aspirants how to pass their exams. Alright, we equally help them in a way we can help them succeed. Alright, so today, without wasting much of our time, I will be introducing what we called Jamb special centers for runs in 2024. So that's what I will introducing for you guys today. And if you have FAQ, there says our FAQ says, for those that didn't know the meaning of FAQ simply means frequently asked question. So frequently asked question of the day is, how do I know if my Jamb center does malpractice? So that's the frequently asked question for the day. So the topic of today is Jamb special centers for runs in 2024. So I know a couple of the time over the years, Jamb has been fighting examination malpractice, just like the one I've said in my previous content or my previous video. They have been fighting examination malpractice, of which because of that they were able to shut down some centers in Abia State, Aba precisely. So that's why if you come to Abia State now, you notice that we have only four centers. Yeah, four, five centers operating in Abia State as a whole. Yeah, 5 centers operating in Abia State as a whole. If not, okay, I guess it's six centers operating in Abia State as a whole. So others, it's not as if that's the only center in Abia State, but others engaged in examination malpractice and Jamb detect. So at the end of the day, Jamb were able to sanction those centers. All right. So today, what I will tell you guys is how to get a Jamb special centers for us. So I know you guys will be thinking about, how do I know? It is not as if I'm encouraging examination malpractice, but the truth of the matter is that there are some persons, we all know that there are some persons that it's not as if they are not intelligent. They are very intelligent, but this Jamb of a thing is something that they always find it very difficult to pass. So a couple of times I've found out, I've sat and look at this Jamb and also make some researches about that. This exam is not like, it's not like I'm too intelligent, I'm too smart, I'm too this. So that's why some persons call it a kind of, is by, some persons do say that it's by luck. Understand? So that's why some persons say that it's by luck. You understand? So now special centers. So I'm not telling you guys that special centers, though in some areas special centers exist. In some areas special centers, I just posted a video about Jamb-based runs. That was a day before, I guess the day before yesterday, probably during the weekend. And some persons came to my comment section to attack me. So some said, scammer, you are a scammer, this, that. So I believe that those kind of persons did not watch the video. They always saw my thumbnail, and when they saw the thumbnail, they believe that it's a scammer, they have come again. So I believe if the person must have watched my video, so he will know, he or she will know what, like, the detail, like how I detailed everything on my video. You understand? So how I explained everything bit by bit and step by step. But it's obvious the person did not watch my video. So that's why the person saw the thumbnail and the person assumed that they are scammers. So, but I want to tell you guys that anything that has fake also have original. Understand? Anything that has fake has original also. It is simply because you have not gotten the original does not mean that the original does not exist. I don't know if you guys are following me. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. So anything particular thing that has fake surely have original. So because you have not gotten the original does not mean that the original is not in the market. You understand? It is because maybe you don't have the money to pay for the original, or you have not gotten the original. In some cases, they don't even have the original, because they believe that some person don't know how to pay, like all of those stuffs. So, but that's why I've taken much of my time to detail this thing. So, some centers does examination malpractice. Some centers does examination malpractice. How they do it is that's why some of those guys, they are just ignorance of they are just ignorance. All of this thing just ignore. That's what they don't know. I know the reason why they are telling you guys this is a scammer. It's just what I explained in the very beginning of this video. Sorry, not the previous video. I said some persons will tell you guys that they will upload questions to you, to this and that, give you guys questions 6 hours to the exam, 7 days to the exam. Those guys, they are the scammers. 2 days to the exam, this one to the exam, 2 hours to the exam. No, it is easier for, just like I said in my previous video, I'm not here to, I know so many persons want to push me to expose our tricks. No, I'm not here to expose our tricks. All right, so I'm not here to tell you guys how we are going to help our candidates succeed. You understand? I'm not here. I work with Jamb, so I'm not here to tell you guys like that. So we know how we do it. So I want to remind you guys again that anybody telling you that he or she will give you expo 6 hours to your exam is a scammer. He's lying. He or she will give you expo 1 week to your exam is a scammer. Disregard any of those things. I'm just telling you guys the truth. 2 days to your exam, no. 2 hours to exam, no. The reason why I'm saying all of those things is not as if that because I have said 2 hours to exam and some person will tell you that let me give you for 5 minutes to exam and you rush. I just want you guys to understand me. It is quite easy for us because we work with CBT. That's why it is easy for us. So I don't know for other persons. And I believe and I have seen so far that Jamb, expo, 7 days, 6 days, and all of those blah blah blah, blah does not exist for now. However, that's why I didn't use the word. I use expo on my top name. I don't use it as an expo. I call it assistant. You just like assistants. So that's why if you see me, I constantly do my training. I constantly do my what is it called? My tutorial. So the reason for that is that you will do your best and we will assist you. That's why I use the word assistance. These people are just pushing me to say this and I don't want to say it. I just pushing me. I don't want to say it. I don't want to. So that's what I say. That's the reason why I'm making this video. So they correct that impression that person just made on my comment section. Alright? It's not as if there is nothing like that. There is, but just the person did not watch my video from beginning. If you must have watched my video, you understand that I stated all of these things. It is easier for us because we work with CBT. We invigilate, we supervise. So once exam starts, oh God, I will not say that. This is where I will stop. This is where I will stop. So they just want me to pass like this. I will stop here. Understand? So what I will do for you guys is that if you want to join us, just like the way I said, it is not a do or die affair. I'm not pressuring on you guys. Normally, I didn't supposed to come out to do this, but it's because of my candidate. Like they were just on my neck begging me. Some person said that it's not as if we are not brilliant, but the problem is that we are just scared. So that's why it's okay. Since it's like that, I will help you guys. We'll assist you, then you assist yourself. Then we'll come out with fly colors. Alright? It's not as if we are just telling you we send answers for you 1 week, 7 days. No. Jamb upload questions for a particular session. Understand me? Questions for a particular session. 30 minutes to exam. 30 minutes to exam. So anybody telling you upload is a lie. They upload questions 30 minutes to exam. So disregard all of those things. You understand? So if you want to join us, what you will do, you will hit the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, then take my number. If you check on the comment section, you see my number. If you check any of my videos, some of my video description, you also see my number there. Message me on WhatsApp. Message me on WhatsApp, then I will give you the information needed. We have a certain number of candidates who are helping this year. So if your name is not among, is that your name is not among. Alright, your name is not among, is that your name is not among. So if you want to join us, what you will do is follow all these instructions and leave anybody talking any rubbish on the comment section. Alright, we are just telling you guys what we can do and what we can offer for you. It's not as if we are telling you guys not to read. I mean, that's the reason why if me I can read, then you guys will also read. You understand? So you read during that exam time, we assist you, you pass. Alright? So until I see you guys in my next video again, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Alright? Like this video if this video is what you like. Give it a like thumb. Okay? If you have anything that is bothering you that you want us to know about, you can let us know in the comment section. So if you want to join us, subscribe. Get my number in any of the video or any of the comment section that you see my contact there. Message me on WhatsApp. I'll be right there to answer you, to give you the procedure. So let's see you guys until I see you guys again. Keep winning.